So find out modulus of a bar minus b bar. If two vectors a bar and b bar are such that modulus of a bar is equal to 2, modulus of b bar is 3, and a bar dot b bar is equal to 4. Okay, so two times they are asked here, July 14 and July 16. It is a 2 marks question here. Very important example here. So you know this formula, modulus of a bar square is equal to a bar dot of a bar here. So this is a property. Okay. Yes, in this case, the modulus of a bar minus of b bar, it's a square is equal to a bar minus of b bar dot of. So a bar minus of b bar here. Okay. So you are using this property here. Now you multiply it here, a bar dot a bar. So a bar dot of a bar dot b bar minus of a bar dot of b bar. Then the minus b bar dot a bar minus of b bar dot of a bar, minus into minus becomes a plus here, b bar dot b bar here. So b bar dot of b bar here. So you know a bar dot a bar is a modulus of a bar square. Yes, so this is a modulus of a bar square. And you know that here a bar dot of b bar is equal to b bar dot of a bar. Commutative property is satisfied here. Therefore, here b bar dot a bar is the same as a bar dot b bar here. Minus of a bar dot b bar minus of a bar dot of b bar plus again using this property here. So modulus of b bar square here. Therefore, this equal to modulus of a bar square minus a bar dot b bar minus a bar dot b bar is minus 2 into a bar dot of b bar here. Okay. Then plus modulus of b bar square. So this is the formula, a bar dot b bar. It's a square here. Modulus of a bar minus b bar whole square is modulus of a bar square minus 2 times a bar dot b bar plus modulus of b bar square. So this is the formula. Just remember it here. Even you can write direct this formula also. Okay. Instead of writing all the term here, you can write this formula also. Okay. This is just a proof of this formula. Direct you can write this formula. Okay. Therefore, this equal to here modulus of a bar is a 2 here. So it is a 2 square here minus of 2 into a bar dot b bar is a 4. So write here 4. Then a plus modulus of a b bar is a 3 here. So it is a 3 square here. Therefore, 2 square is a 4. 2 4s are 8 here. Minus of 8. 3 square is a 9 here. Okay. Then 9 minus 8 gives 1. Plus 4 becomes a 5 here. So modulus of a bar minus b bar whole square is a 5. Take a square right hand side here. Hence modulus of a bar minus of b bar is equal to root of 5. Root of 5. So this is the answer here. Okay, therefore in this case a bar minus of b bar, okay, it's a square, is a modulus of a bar square here minus 2 times a bar dot of b bar plus modulus of b bar square. This is a formula. Similarly, here a bar plus b bar, it's a square is a modulus of a bar square plus 2 times a bar dot of b bar here. 2 times a bar dot b bar plus modulus of b bar square here. Then here modulus of a bar square minus of modulus of b bar square is equal to a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar dot of a bar minus of b bar here. So these are the important formulas here. So remember it here. These are very important formula. So there are examples on these formulas here. Okay, just remember it here. So if a bar is a unit vector and if x bar minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar is equal to 8, then find modulus of x bar here. Okay. So in this case they given here x bar minus of a bar dot of x bar plus a bar is equal to 8 here. Then multiply the terms here. X bar dot of x bar here. X bar dot of x bar dot a bar. So plus x bar dot of a bar minus of a bar dot x bar here. So a bar dot of x bar minus into plus becomes a minus a bar dot a bar here. Hence a bar dot of a bar is equal to 8 here. Here x bar dot x bar is a modulus of x bar square here. Then plus x bar dot of a bar minus a bar dot x bar is the same as x bar dot of a bar, because dot product is commutative. Commutative property is satisfying here. Minus of a bar dot a bar is a modulus of a bar square is equal to 8 here. Here both get cancels here. So remaining is a modulus of x bar square minus of modulus of a bar square is equal to 8 here. Okay, hence x bar dot a bar, x bar minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar is a modulus of x bar square minus modulus of a bar square here. Direct you can write this step also. Instead of writing all these 3 steps here, direct you can write this one. Okay, this is equal to modulus of x bar square minus modulus of a bar square using this proper formula. Next they given a bar is a unit vector here. Okay, so its value is 1 here. Modulus of x bar square minus of 1 square is equal to 8 here, because here they are already given here it is a unit vector here. Its modulus is 1 here. So write here 1. 1 square is 1, take 1 right hand side here. As the modulus of x bar square is equal to 8 plus 1 here. Then the modulus of x bar is equal to 9 here, and it's a square here. So modulus of x bar square is equal to 9 and the modulus of x bar is the root of 9 here. Square root of 9 is a 3 here. Modulus always a positive. Modulus means the length of the vector here. Actually it is a positive here. So take only plus 3, not minus 3 here. So modulus of x bar is equal to 3 is the answer here. Okay, you are using this formula. Directly you can write this step also. Okay. Here find the modulus of x bar. If for a unit vector a bar, x bar minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar is equal to 12 here. Let's take a previous example here. Take here the solution. Here x bar minus of a bar dot of x bar plus a bar is equal to 12 here. So using this formula here, so this is a modulus of x bar minus of whole square minus of modulus of a bar square is equal to 12 here. And they given it is a unit vector here, so this value is 1 here. Modulus of x bar square minus of 1 is equal to 12 here, because here modulus of a bar is equal to 1 here. So 1 square is 1 here. Take minus on right hand side here. Modulus of x bar square is equal to 13. Take a minus on right hand here, it becomes plus 1 here. Hence modulus of x bar is equal to root of 13 here. So root of 13 is the answer here. Okay, even this is also important example here. Two times they asked here, March 19 and March 2015. It is a 2 marks question here. Here find modulus of A bar and modulus of B bar. If A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar equal to 8 and modulus of A bar equal to 8 times modulus of B bar here. So given that A bar plus B bar dot of A bar minus B bar is equal to 8 here. Take equation number 1 and modulus of A bar is equal to 8 times modulus of B bar here. Take equation number 2 here. Okay. So using again this formula here, product of these two is modulus of A bar square minus of modulus of B bar square here is equal to 8 here. And here they given modulus of A bar is 8 times modulus of B bar here. Use this result here. So modulus of A bar is 8 times modulus of B bar. 8 into modulus of B bar it's a square here. Minus of modulus of B bar square is equal to 8 here. So from result to here. Okay, using a second result here. 8 times modulus of B bar here and it is a square here. Minus of modulus of B bar square is equal to 8 here. 8 square is 64 here. So 64 into modulus of B bar square is equal, minus here. Modulus of B bar square is equal to 8 here. Is equal to 8. 64 modulus of B bar square minus modulus of B bar square. 64 minus 1 becomes 63 here. 63 modulus of B bar square is equal to 8 here. Take a 63 is the tension here. So modulus of B bar square is equal to 8 divided by 63 here. Okay. Take a square right hand side here as a modulus of B bar is equal to root of 8 divided by 63 here. Then modulus of B bar here is equal to square root of 8 is 2 root 2 here divided by square root of 63 here. So 9 root of 7. Okay, because you know root of 8 here. Root 8 means root of 4 into 2 here. Square root of 4 is 2 here. 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2 here. And 63 root of 63 is root of 9 into 7 here. Square root of 9 is 3. So root of 7. 3 root 7. So it is not 9 here. It is 3. So 3 root 7. So modulus of B bar is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7 here. So use this value in the equation 2. Therefore, from result to here, modulus of A bar is equal to 8 into modulus of B bar is this one here. So 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. Hence the modulus of A bar 8 2s are 16 here. 16 root 2 divided by 3 root 7 here. So therefore this is the value of modulus of A bar here. Modulus of B bar and modulus of B bar. Even this is also important example here. So evaluate the product of 3 A bar minus 5 B bar dot 2 A bar plus 7 into B bar here. So take your solution here. So 3 into the vector A bar minus of 5 into the vector B bar dot of so 2 A bar plus 7 into the vector B bar here. Then this equal to so 3 A bar dot 2 A bar here. 3 2s are 6. 6 into A bar dot of A bar here. Then plus here. So right here plus 3 sevens are 21. A bar dot B bar here. So A bar dot of B bar. Minus here. So right here minus 5 2s are 10 here. So 10 B bar dot A bar. Hence B bar dot of A bar here. Minus into plus minus here. 5 sevens are 35. So 35 into B bar dot B bar is so right here B bar dot of B bar here as it is okay. Then you know A bar dot A bar is modulus of A bar square here. And A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot A bar. Commutative property satisfying here. Yes, A bar dot A bar 6 into modulus of A bar square here plus write this one as it is 21 into A bar dot of B bar here minus of 10 here. So you know dot product is committed here. B bar dot A bar is the same as A bar dot of B bar minus of 35 into here B bar dot B bar is a modulus of B bar square here using this property here. Okay. Then this is equal to 6 into modulus of A bar square here. 21 A bar dot B bar minus 10 A bar dot B bar gives 11 into A bar dot of B bar. Then minus of 35 into modulus of B bar square here. So this is the answer. Okay. Find the magnitude of two vectors A bar and B bar having the same magnitude here. Having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree. Angle between them is 60 degree here. Then and their scalar product here. Scalar product is 1 divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, simple example here. A bar and B bar are okay, two vectors here. Or two vectors and modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar here. They are already given here. They are having same magnitude. They are having same magnitude means their lengths are equal here. Modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar here. Okay. And angle between them is 60 degree here. Okay. And a scalar product means A bar dot B bar. A bar dot of B bar is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. And so angle between two vectors is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree here. Okay. Then find the two vectors here. So use this definition here. Definition of scalar product here. Okay. So we know that A bar dot of B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos of theta here. Here A bar dot B bar value is 1 upon 2 here. So write here 1 upon 2. So value is 1 upon 2 here. Modulus of A bar write as it is. Modulus of B bar is again it is a modulus of A bar only because they are equal here. Instead of modulus of B bar, write here modulus of A bar into cos of theta here. Theta value is 60 degree here. Here so 1 upon 2 is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of A bar is modulus of A bar square into cos of 60 degree value is 1 divided by 10. Okay, cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancels here. Hence 1 is equal to modulus of A bar square here. Yes, modulus of p bar is equal to 1 year because square root of 1 is 1 year. So modulus of p bar is 1 year. And the modulus of p bar also 1 year because both are equal here. Therefore, modulus of b bar is equal to 1 year because modulus of a bar is equal to modulus of b bar here. Okay. So modulus of a bar is 1 year, modulus of b bar is also 1 because both are equal here. If this value is 1, modulus of b bar is also 1 year. Okay.